What's up, YouTube? This is my girl here, Haze. See her chilling with her parents. She knows she's on the YouTube, boob tube. Very alert, very intelligent, beautiful coat, great structure, very athletic, good energy, extremely intelligent. She's an excellent blend of these two dogs here. See my boy Bull. That's the father. He's laid out, just chilling.
Are you vlogging?
Say hi, Nani.
Hi.
So she's the proud new owner of Haze. This is Haze. And as I mentioned earlier, she's the family keeper. I think she is almost 9 weeks old. She's almost 9 weeks. Big, healthy girl, as you can see. She's laying next to her father and her mother. This is her first day in the house, just kind of chilling by herself with her parents. So she's undergoing her house breaking and potty training. She's learning the yays and the nays.
It's the son of Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy made he was little mama too. Born Bolio, nice dog. 7 months old. Gotta eat kennels right here. Gotta eat dog. Isis. She bred the Jack. Puppies in 19 days.
So the father is pure Camelot.
Puppies in 19
Mother's got some Red Boy Jocko, some Commander Whitehead. She's got a little Pat Patrick in there and a little Red Boy Jocko in there. Very intelligent, very sensitive animal. She knows she can detect subtleties. Is the best way I can put it. So with her intelligence, her athleticism, and his size and his strength, of course he is Camelot blood. He's got some Bruiser in there, some Chief in there. His father was Havoc, and Havoc is down off an animal. So he's got a lot of nice blood in there. White Gold was his mother. Gargoyle Pit's White Gold. She's also Camelot bred, so as you can see, it's Camelot pups. Look good. She's got a beautiful chocolate brindle coat going on. She was the only pup in the whole litter that was born with no white on her top side. The only white she has is underneath, starting from her chin down on her neck and her chest. But other than that, whole top side is all chocolate red brindle.
My ambition to win, just to get me some ends. Help me pay my little rent. Maybe sit in the bin.
It looks like Haze had tears on her.
Hmm?
It looks like Haze had tears on her.
Like she has tears in her eyes.
A little bit of tears.
The StaffWorks Save a Life campaign is dedicated to improving animals' lives. Through December 31st, donate to any participating animal care
What do you guys
organization,
think? Crop or
and
no?
StaffWorks will match up to $10,000 for each one.
Family
Plus,
says no.
another
Leave her
$10,000 to
ears.
the one that raises the most money, and $10,000 more to the one with the most donors. Your
Even though
organization
she's a female, she has a lot of,
$30,000 from StaffWorks. Let
I don't
our
know, she's
donation
something of a
double your
she-male.
donation. Give now at staffworksavealife.com.
Another famous Eli bred dog was the 5XW Nigeriano. Nigeriano represents some of the purest Eli Jr. blood to be found today and is a highly respected bloodline in its own right. The thing that makes the Eli dogs so popular is that they are powerfully built dogs with devastating mouths who consistently throw these traits into their offspring.
Can't find my
One of the
head.
best crosses to be made.